Kumshibinta banrake ya jingdap sispa snem jong jingwan yo kejat Don Bosco chapo ka jala ka than chitai lamingi ka Assam Don Bosco University harangkat bat ka Genesis Mark Foundation kan penlong ya ka North East Pride Football Cup haba pentip ya ka ne Abhijit Oberoi ubami khmat ya ka Genesis Max Foundation ulai thu bakin penlong ya ka tournament ban penyilek ka ki athotli ki sorba jong ki jala ki bodon hapo ka jala ka than chitai lamingi bat ya ka ni on sedang nanong ba Shillong haka athau trek bat athan trek hamadan jong sipai halai kor ulai thu bakhusnam jong kani kjili akai kan long lai lak tingka bat hapo ka jala Meghalaya na preng kan nong ba Shillong on pelong ru hamairang nong stoin tura bat juai.
We are organizing a five-a-side football tournament which is called the North East Pride Cup, which is being hosted by Assam Don Bosco University in association with Genesis Max Foundation. It's a five-a-side tournament for categories under 14, 16 and 19, and it will be conducted over 20 plus cities across Northeast India. The main reason of conducting this tournament is as we as Assam Don Bosco University and Genesis Max Foundation want to develop the sporting ecosystem in Northeast India. So we are doing a football tournament now. Later we'll be coming up with basketball tournaments, badminton tournaments and multiple tournaments. The reason why we are doing a tournament and not any other event is football players, young football players, like I mentioned, we are doing under 14, 16 and 19. In India don't get ample competitive matches to play in a season. If you talk about European countries, a kid there gets close to 50 to 60 matches in a season, right? Or probably 40 to 60 matches in a season to play with. So they have that kind of match experience. That's what we're trying to give. So it's a knockout tournament so we are starting with the state of Meghalaya from 24th of September from Shillong itself. The match will be conducted at Lightcore, Assam Rifles Lightcore. And there is a small registration fee of 200 rupees per player. So any team, individual or school can participate in it. It's open for all. And after Shillong, we'll be going to Mairang, we'll be going to Nongstoin, Tura and Jowai. So these are the five zones we'll be covering in Meghalaya. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to 20 plus cities across Northeast India. So the under 14, 16, 19 winners of all these cities will come in the last week of November at Assam Don Bosco University, stay there, and there will be matches between all the winners of each zone. And the winners from there will get a chance to win prizes worth 3 lakh rupees. That's 1 lakh per category. So like I said, there are 20 plus zones. We have, let's say, try to finalize to the best of our abilities 20 plus footballing hubs across Northeast India, which include multiple cities or at least one city in each 7 states of Northeast India. If you look through your small pamphlet, you can see all the maps also. So yeah, and for further details, you can also go on our website. It's called www.northeastpridecup.com. All the details, everything is mentioned there. So one team for under 14, 16, 19 will go to the finale round in Guwahati from each zone. It's under 14, 16, 19. Under 14, 16, 19, so school level.
It's always school level, yeah.
The details regarding age category, registration details, registration fees, tournament format, rules, regulation, everything is available on northeastpridecup.com.